Hello, my name is Gilbert Smith from Cincinnati, Ohio. I collect old telephones and telephone switching equipment. I am standing here at the University of Cincinnati on our campus grounds in our PBX switch room. Our PBX system is known as the 701B. This PBX is an intercom system between departments to the other departments, from campus residents to other campus residents.
Go.
This PBX system consists of line finders, selectors, and connectors. They have a three-digit system is a line finder, a first selector, and a second selector. A four-digit system is a line finder, first selector, second selector, and a connector. In this case, this is a four-digit system which has a line finder, a first selector, a second selector, and a connector. Now I'm going to go over to right here to show you the PBX right here. This is the line finders with associated bank terminals, and this is the line and cutoff relays right here. And this is the line finder right here. This is the line and cutoff relay. Each station line has a line and cutoff relay. I'm going to take the covers off right here. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I mean here.
Hold on.
You find your line, you pick up the phone, you activate a line relay, which is right here. See the little relay pull in right here.
Okay, stand back this way. Make the switches work.
Okay.
Stand back if you can more. Just
Wait a minute.
stand back a little bit.
What is happening is I'm pushing a line relay. I short circuited the tip and ring on the cutoff relay, and it's finding a line. It's finding a line to extend to the first selector, which gives you dial tone.
Okay, go.
What I'm going to do now is I'm going to turn this switch on here to trigger the circuit here to activate the line finders. You can see this is a test circuit right here. To activate the line finder, let's go to chain circuit, go from one finder to the other. Now I'm going to deactivate it. Now I'm going to show you the functions of the relays. These are the relays which makes the line finder function. These are the electromagnets right here, the release magnet right here, and the rotary magnet, the vertical magnet underneath side. I'm going to activate the finder to show you. This is the A relay, which is the start relay. You can see the function. This is the B relay for the switch through relay for the 100th group, and this is the C relay to make the pulse. And this is a D relay to change the start circuit from one finder to the other, as you can see. And this is the other 100th relay for the lower wipers, and this is the change the start circuit from to change the position from the vertical to the rotary position. You notice the spring, rotary, right there. There you go, right there. Now we're at the first selector, the selector side of the switch frame. This is the first selector, which gives you dial tone after your line is seized by the line finder. It sends to the first selector. Okay. This first selector is got 10 trunks here, first level through 10. All right, the 9 is the dial 9 for outside line, and O is for operator. All right, the dial say 2, and it extends to 2, which extends first, second level, and it cuts in. Alright, the selector is a single-digit two-motion switch. It steps up, then it rotates to find an idle trunk, and you're connected to a second selector.
Okay, 1 second.
I took a cover off. Should I say that?
Mm-hmm. Go.
Now I took the cover off to show you the first selector. I'm going to show you the different relays and the way the switch operates. Dial, I'll dial 2, and stepped up to 2. Send you to the next selector. Now I'm going to release it. Watch the release magnet. Now I'll go dial 9. Watch the rotary magnets. It will give you busy tone. So the can spring will give you busy tone if it's all busy. This is an A relay, which is the pulsing, the step to switch. C. This is the B relay, which holds the switch train. C relay changes the start from the vertical to the rotary position. And D is the switch to relay. C. Okay, this is the normal post springs, which gives you restriction feature on the switch. It also gives you the absorption. Also extends to the second selector right here. You see the rotary interrupter springs. Operates the cane springs. Besides the selectors, we have the alarm relays right here, which function like permanent signal. If the person don't dial within after 30 minutes, an alarm goes off and it lights a lamp and sounds a bell. Okay, one thing I want to show you besides the selectors is the alarm relays, which goes with the selector unit. And that is the permanent signal release magnet alarm and the fuse alarm. Say, for example, somebody don't dial after 30 minutes, then the alarm goes off, and it sounds a bell, indicate trouble in the switch. It tells what aisle and what function is happening. Okay, now I'm going to take a dust cover off right here and show you the alarm relay. See the different relays pull in? Okay, here's how the relays, you'll see the alarm relays pull in. They all disconnected because the switch through relay pulled in. You can see the relays pull in. If they stay in for a while, then alarm pulls in. There's the fuse alarm right here, the relay, which I will not touch though.
Go.
The connector switch is the most, after the second selector, you connect it to a connector switch. The connector switch is the most important switch in the switch train. And I'm going to show you right here by taking a cover off the connectors. here, I'll show you the connectors, the relays, and see if what should work. Go right here. See. Intercept machine came on because this number is no longer in service. Switch through relay works. Notice the switch through relay A is the start. It's a pulsing relay, as you can see. All right, here's the B relay, which holds the switch train. Relay C is the change from the vertical to the rotary position. D is the back. When a person answers the phone, this relay pulls in. Relay E is the rotary sequence to test the line if it's busy or not. F is the ring cutoff relay. G is the busy tone, or the hunt relay. As you notice, when a switch is removed and it moves to this terminal, it moves over. I'll show you what I mean. This is the J relay, is another relay which functions the hunting position. And K is the switch-through relay. The switch-through relay, as you notice, right here, like for example, the relay pull in, right there. These are the release magnets, you can see on the other side, the vertical magnets, the rotary magnets, you can see right here. Here is the connector switches right here. This is the cam springs, the rotary interrupter springs, vertical, off normal springs. Okay. What I want to go to right here is the alarm relays right here. Release magnet relay right here. This is a fuse alarm relay, permanent signal, the timeout relay right there. Now this is a dial tone, what the dial tone sounds like on the PBX system, right here. Now I'm going to dial a number. This is a ringback tone. That was the ringback tone. Now I'm going to do the busy tone. Here's the busy tone. That is the busy tone.
Hold on a second. Go.
Next piece of equipment I'd like to show you is the part that interconnects this switch frame, and that's called the distributing frame. The distributing frame is a terminal point where wires are connected to. For example, a connector, terminal banks, what we call the banks, are connected on one side, and then the lines are connected on the other side. And what they do is they cross-connect those to make the proper terminal. Say, for example, terminal 4-3 and 4-4. Well, they connect with 4-3, and say you want to move it to 4-4, they just move the wires over to here. That's what they do right here. See how big this distributing frame is and all the cross-connect wire right here. All right up here is the cable rack with supports the cables going over, and also helps support the frames. You can see correct how it's attached here.
Go.
Now I'm going to show you the ringing machine right here. Show you that makes these little tones that you heard over the microphone on the camera. This is the function right here, the busy tone relays. This is the ringing machine that makes the rings or bells, gives you dial tone, and also the busy tone. Right here is the machines right here. Okay, now I'm going to show you the alarm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Go ahead.
Now I'm going to show you the alarm panel right here, which I told you about the permanent signal and the release magnet right here. All right, here is the release magnets, or the alarm. This is like a permanent signal alarm, about a 30-minute delay and a 5-minute delay for the release magnet. You can see the bell right here and the little bell right here. You can see this right up here is the fuse panel for fuses.
I'm gonna get one more shot of this thing. I want to get another shot of this thing. It's kind of hard to. There.
Oh, this is the power unit that powers this PBX system. Right here you can see the ampere meters right here and the charge fuses, the 100 amp output. This is used with batteries. The batteries, which uses a reserve power and a filter.
Wait, let me. Okay, go ahead.
On the other side of the the power unit is the fuse panel. You can see with the fuses that are in here, and these little fuses here serve as an alarm, set off an alarm when it blows. All right, here is the ammeter, another ammeter. This is the right down here. You can see up here. It's the voltmeter. Right here it says 52 volts. Supposed to measure. This is the ampere meter right here. Now these are the batteries, which are the reserve power in case of power failure. This powers the PBX system. Batteries also serve as a filter unit to filter out AC hum. Battery.
Go.
This is the batteries. The batteries are used as reserve power for a backup system in case of power failure. Automatically switches over to the reserve batteries. Also, the batteries serve as a filter system. Oh, here they are. Here they are. Fine, let me take these covers all off this end. Alright, now this is the incoming selectors from the centric system at the or tandem office in the central office. This pulses out the numbers to this selector. This selector goes from this selector to the second selector, which goes to the connector, to the incoming, so people can dial from the outside into the PBX to any of the stations here. As you can see right here. Digit absorbing. Usually what I'm doing is to activate the digit absorbing. The digit absorbing is a system where you have it's a numeral plan. You save a set of a switch train. For example, if one PBX has 3-digit system and another has a 4-digit, all right, to save an extra set of selectors, what they do is they absorb the digit. It goes up, then it releases, then it cuts through. That's what digit absorbing is. You can see all different, the normal post springs, the interrupter springs, the cam springs. Watch me. All the way across. The whole lines of business. So dial 6 cuts right through there. Now dial another number, another number. Not connected to somebody. Now dial 4. See it how it hunts across. I'll get out of the picture. Go and start videoing that. He's gonna make that.
You know what?
He's go ahead, tape this section again. He's gonna make the switches work. Now, I have to make a closing. We'll make that over there. Is that all right? Now,
Sure.
I want to do the trunk phase.
Okay, go.
Now, these are the trunks which, when you dial 9 for outside line, this trunk holds the selector switches. You can see the different function of the relays. These relays here, like cut-through relay, slow release. This holds the relay too. And this is a cold diversion relay. If you dial a certain number, you dial 9 and you dial 1, and automatically this pollarity reverse, this relay pulls in here and then operates this relay here. You're connected to an operator, and she tells you if you want to make a phone. That's what these relays are here.
Three, two, one, go.
I'd like to mention a few of the other people who collect step-by-step dial equipment, and that is Pete Bryant of Hamilton, Ohio, who works for Cincinnati Bell, Rick Walsh of East Hampton, Connecticut, Jim Day of New Haven, Connecticut, Charlie Dunn of Beverly, Massachusetts, and John Maxfield of Detroit, Michigan, Fred Friebelin of Chicago. In closing, I would like to thank the following people who make this video possible. That is Mr. James Cronin, who's Communications Director for University of Cincinnati, Cindy Stevens, who has the account for Cincinnati Bell, who helped make this video possible, and also Larry Birch, who helped arrange for me to come in to make this video, and George Corneliuson, who made this taping of the video. Thank you.